It's Thursday, March 6th, and I'm David Song, currency analyst with Daily FX, here to discuss the highly anticipated non-farm payrolls report, where we're expecting U.S. employment to grow another 115K for the month of February. However, we'll keep a close eye on the recent trends in terms of U.S. data. In fact, again, over the last 2 months, we've seen this NFP print did fall short of market expectations. So based on the seasonal factors, we might see that once again, and we'll also watch the jobless rate as it's widely expected to just hold above that 6.5 unemployment threshold at an annualized rate of 6.6%. So we'll watch these dynamics and how the figure will pan out tomorrow. But certainly today we've seen a lot of interesting price action, namely off of the ECB interest rate decision, and we'll keep a close eye on the euro going over the next 24 hours of trade. However, guys, just be mindful that ahead of these key event risks, we might see market volatility really thin out, especially as we head into the weekend. But with that said, let's look at the chart here. Very interesting price action for the euro dollar. So looks as though we're finally going to see this close above that 138 handle today following the ECB. And of course, right now, a few things that I'm watching, a level that I'm watching right now, 138.70 region, this 50% extension that I have dating back from the September advance, looks pretty meaningful there. Looks as though we're going to hold below that going into NFPs. However, a few things that I'm watching on my charts right now, the bearish divergence here still in play for the RSI structure there. And we'll see, maybe we could get a little bit more of a potential directional bias here following the breakout. However, given today's price action and given this run all the way into 38.70 region, it looks as though it's really starting to threaten the downward trend dating all the way back to 2008. So we'll be watching that, see if maybe this is a meaningful break to the top side. Maybe we'll start scaling back some of the bearish sentiments surrounding the euro, but we'll watch. Again, don't want to front run the data. We'll see how the numbers play out tomorrow, and of course, we'll see the type of reaction we get with that. However, also we have Canada employment coming out tomorrow. We're expecting to see another rise in employment there. So you know what, even beyond the euro dollar, might see a lot of volatility in the dollar Canada, maybe even a further decline in this exchange rate. And on that, we'll be watching this just below that 109 handle, 108.90, maybe even down into this 108.60 region. Should we get a nice Canada print for the second consecutive month? At the same time, if we do see this theme for USD to continue, and if we see NFPs miss market expectations, might see a pronounced decline and even a further decline in this exchange rate. So guys, for tomorrow, I think these two pairs are going to be the most of concern for us here at Daily FX. So we'll be watching price action very closely, especially the market reaction. But again, be mindful that we're heading into the weekend. But with that, guys, as always, good luck on your trades and stay prudent.